Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make sweet potato cheese spread. Let's get started. First, pour 120 ml of whole milk and 40 grams of egg into a bread pan. Then add 250 grams of bread flour, (30 grams of honey, and 20 grams of brown sugar, and let the machine work automatically for 15 minutes. Wow, Mr. Bread Maker did a very good job. See, now we can leave the dough in Mr. Bread Maker for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting for 30 minutes, I'm going to prepare the sweet potato and cheese filling. I already separate the mashed potato into 6 balls. Each ball is 65 grams. Besides, I also cut the mozzarella cheese into 6 pieces. Each piece is 17 grams. After 30 minutes, add 3.5 grams of yeast into the bread pan. Close the lid and adjust to dough making program. Press start and let Mr. Bread Maker work for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cancel the program. Open the lid, add 20 grams of butter and 2 grams of salt into the bread pan. Close the lid and select dough making program again. Press start and let Mr. Bread Maker knead the dough for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take out a small part of dough and spread it on your hand. If the dough looks like a transparent glove, that means your dough is done. Now ferment the dough for 45 to 60 minutes. Now I'm going to test if the dough is ready or not. See, the dough doesn't bounce back. That means the fermentation is completed. See, I just took out the dough from the bread pan. Now I'm going to pat it with my palm to release the air from the dough. Now I'm going to put the whole tray of bread into the oven to ferment for 45 minutes. After fermenting for 45 minutes, I'm brushing egg on the surface of the bread. And then sprinkle some sesame on top for decoration. Then put the bread in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Wow. See? It looks great. Let me have a try. Wow, the cheese is... I can pull the cheese very long. Oh. After refrigerating the bread for 2 days, today is the 3rd day. I just used the rice cooker to reheat it. See? The bread is still very soft. Let's cut it and have a try. Wow. See? The cheese. Very springy. I'm stretching as high as I can.